name is Dan Sinai. I'm the Associate Vice President of Research at Western, and we're a very proud sponsor and supporter of National Biotech Week. Here at Western, we have a long history and a long tradition in biotech research, dating back to the discovery of insulin and some of the early cancer research that we did here on campus. What I'm going to talk to you about today really is why Biotech Week is important to us here at Western, and the kind of things that we're doing at Western to push the frontiers of Biotech Week. So there's kind of three categories that I break biotech into in what we do at Western. One is what you would call agriculture biotech. Biotechnology in the agriculture sector is a very important sector. Remember, we are in the heartland of agriculture here in Ontario. Within a 2-hour drive, we have somewhere in the neighborhood of about 40% of the agricultural crops in Ontario, so we're a very significant crop producer. But what we're doing is we're taking those crops and that agricultural waste that's created from harvesting these crops, and we're turning them into value-added products. So one of the big biotech programs we have right now is turning agricultural waste into biochemicals and biofuels. So through our Institute Institute for Chemicals and Alternative Fuels from Alternative Resources, ICFAR, we're doing this research to try to ensure that every part of the plant is used and doesn't go to waste. And we're also trying to find alternatives to our petroleum resources. So another section and another area that we're really active in is in the area of food biotechnology. You know, people think of universities like Saskatchewan and Guelph and PEI, but Western does have a very, very strong food science, food biotechnology program. One of the best examples of what we're doing in biotech has to do with a project we have jointly with Lawson and Brescia College around the development of new strains of probiotic yogurt. These are bacteria that are mixed up in yogurt, and they are used for health effects. So we have a very, very active program in Africa. It's called Western Heads East, where we have probiotic yogurt that we're serving to HIV sufferers. And we've proven through clinical trials that this probiotic yogurt has an effect on helping them deal with this very devastating disease. I guess third, and one of our concentrations is in engineering, and I would categorize this as clean tech. Clean tech is the idea that we're taking biotechnology technologies and ideas, and we're cleaning up the environment, the pollution that we created or whatever. So we have a very, very vibrant bioremediation program where we're using nanobio products, nanoparticles or whatever. We're injecting it into the groundwater, and we're cleaning up the groundwater, and we're cleaning up a lot of the pollution that we've created over the last 10 to 15 years in a lot of areas in Ontario. So those are three examples of why biotech matters, why biotech is important to Western, and three examples of how we're using biotech to create value in agricultural products.